Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download OiTube application on your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Play Store and go to the search box at the top and type in OiTube and search. Look for this application from Tuber Video Developer. Tap on the install button to begin downloading OiTube on your Android phone, which will take several minutes. OiTube is a convenient application that you can use to enjoy smooth background play and floating play. Once the application is downloaded on your device, tap on the open button to launch open OiTube on your Android phone. So that's how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.